Good evening, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share something we have just launched on our website. For the first time, complete Dialux project files with 3D modeling, light placement, calculation surface, and ready to generate reports Dialux files. Currently, I have 3 project files on my website. One is home, and then we have office and retail spaces available for download from our websites. Currently, all these projects are free to download. If you're someone who is passionate about lighting design and who is starting their journey as a lighting designer and learning the software's Dialux, or someone who is into some academic program and this is an important part of your academic, then having Dialux project files as a reference can be really helpful. I remember when I was a beginner and I was struggling to learn Dialux Vivo through online tutorials and practicing Dialux on my own, I felt a huge need of having some kind of Dialux reference project files, but unfortunately no such material was available online. This motivated me to make the Dialux files of projects to help other designers who are trying to build their career in this field. The Dialux files are designed in a way to keep the layout simple so that it's easy for any beginner to walk through the project. I will show you how to download these files from our website, and I really hope it helps someone who is really in need of this. Let's get started. You can go to my website sumaiyaliyaz.com. Once you're in website, our website had 3D models which are in DX OBJ file formats which can be easily downloaded and be used in your Dialux files. There was no conversion needed. Apart from the Dialux 3D models, we also have now complete Dialux project files. You can click on 3D models and you can click here on the Dialux projects, or you can go sort it out here, sort for the latest, and you can find this project files. Since we will be launching 3D models every month, if you sort by latest, maybe new 3D models will be appearing here. So you can directly go here, 3D models. Under this product categories, you have Dialux projects, and currently we have these 3 projects: home, office, and retail. If you click on this one, you can see an image which shows a preview of the Dialux files. We have kept the top view so it's fully visible. You can add to the cart. Then we have office. We will add to cart. Next, we have the retail showroom. Retail is simple. You can add to the cart. Once you have added to the cart, you can check out. You can give your basic details. Okay. Once filling your details, you can place the order. We are not charging anything now. It's completely free. And once you click there, you get this download links. Okay. If you click on this download links, your files will be downloaded. Like here, click and you can see the file size is also very less. We have 15 MB and this is also 15 MB, 14.6 MB. And the retail, we have the file size 8.8 MB. We'll go to the folders. These are your projects. I will show you each project. Let's see home project first. Double click, you have complete Dialux file here. Open. Project is now open. You can see the project. I have already set the views. So let me walk you through that, and I'll also tell you how you can self-learn tools in the Dialux with the help of this reference Dialux project file. When you open, we are already in export where I have already set these views. Okay, and I have saved the files in our website without running the calculations. So you can run the calculations by going here. Now, when we go to the export here, if you click on the view, this is the bedroom. Okay, then you have the kitchen, then you have the living rooms, and this is the top view. All the rooms have been marked like this. You can navigate from here to bedroom, kitchen, living room, and toilet. Okay, so we'll go to the story. This is the entrance of the home. When we go here, this is a small living space. Apertures are placed. Okay, you can see the door and window textures. Okay, then you can, there is an opening we have made in the kitchen. So you, if you want how I made this opening, you can click on the cutout. This is how you make the room openings. So this project will help you understand where I have used the cutouts, where apertures are kept, and what are the material properties. Like if you check on the floor, you have reflection factor, reflective coating. You can check for the walls and the ceiling. Okay, these 3D models are something which is being used from the Dialux library, or you can get this 3D models from my website. Nothing has been imported from the SketchUp because we wanted to keep the things simple. Okay, coming to the kitchen, this kitchen cabinet you can get from my website. Okay, ceiling screw I have drawn for all the rooms. You can check the ceiling heights and distance from the shelf floor, ceiling thickness, etc. Then go to the bedroom. This 3D model are from my website. This is from the Dialux. We have placed the apertures too, and this is toilet. Coming to the lighting, we have also placed the lighting. You can see in the living room, we have placed even the LED strip. Since we have already placed, you need to only run the calculation and see the light output. For that, you can go to the calculation objects, settings, keep it in standard. And if you want to see complete lighting with furniture, then don't make any changes here. Run the calculations. Calculation is completed, and in the results overview, since we are running the calculations with furniture, that's why we have this red marks. Why with furniture you have red marks is, see, we have a furniture, okay, and furniture will cause shadows, okay, and Deluxe does not differentiate between light and shadow. It will consider that as a lux level itself, and because of that your uniformity and lux values will not be met as per the standard. In this Dialux files we already have even set the spaces. Okay, we have set the spaces, we have given the utilization profiles. You can check that too, and we need to achieve those lux levels. Okay, if you want to go inside any room and see the view, go to the export and you can click on the views. See, you can see the cove lighting detail here. Okay, and if you want to see the thermal image of the same, you can click on this view. Thermal shows you in false color what is the light lux levels. Okay, this is the scale which shows you what are the lux levels. If you see on the wall, it's green, so that means we are achieving some 100 to 200 lux on the walls. Okay, this is more like a reference project for you. Okay, suppose if you want to check if we are achieving the lux levels or not, you can go to the settings, run the project without objects and furniture. Click here, run the project, and you can see here we are achieving lux levels and uniformity levels in all the rooms. That's why I have got all the green marks. And if you want to see the report, go to the documentation. Okay, already I have set whatever the important pages in the report we need. Everything is set. Okay, if you click on show entire documentation, this is the report. Okay, this is the complete report. If you want to save it, save as PDF. No need to make any changes here. Okay, keep it in your folder. Okay, and the report will be generated. This is your Lux report. Now, see, these projects are available to download and use only as a reference project. This doesn't has to be submitted as an academic project or anything because we have copyrights reserved. This is basically to only help you learn the software. So this was a home project. I will show you even the retail and office project. This is our office project. Here too, you can see all the views are set. If you want to go into individual room, you can click here. The views are set as per the name of the room too. If you click on MD, it will be taken to the MD room. Okay, if you click on reception, you will be taken to the reception. This is workstation. This is workstation. This is complete. Okay, even here you can run the calculation without objects and furniture to check the lux levels. All the furniture which we have used in project are either from the Dialux library or from our website. This is the other project we have on our website to view, and it is a retail. It has only one room. You can click on export and we have already set these views. Okay, in the retail we have a small reception area, mannequin and clothes display. Again, all these 3D models are available on our website. You can for the 3D models which are available on our website, you can easily change its textures, and currently all the 3D models on our website are free to use, no charges. Here too you can run the calculations, check the calculation, check the lux values, uniformity, and if you want to generate the reports, run the calculations without objects and furniture. So these are 3 Dialux files we currently have on our website. We'll be updating more Dialux project files. This is our initiative to support the Dialux community and the new beginners and the learners and anyone who is starting their journey in the Dialux. We are also offering one-to-one Dialux workshop at all levels, beginner, advanced, and we even provide customized Dialux workshop. If you are interested, you can drop me an email, sumaiya@novalightingconcepts.com. So let me know if this Dialux project files are helpful. So this is it guys in this video. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope the Dialux files will prove more helpful while learning. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to explore more in Dialux with me. Thank you.